Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X3 M50 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Espresso interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X3 M50 in Black Sapphire Metallic. I'm just going to hit unlock on the key. So we got the kidney grille lighting up, we got the headlights lighting up, and here we've got the panic button. I'm going to press and hold for 1 second. There's the pathway lighting, so that's the entire low beam system on. I'm going to do a lap all the way around the vehicle. Take a look at what we've got here, and this of course is Black Sapphire Metallic. Got the M welcome lights on the sides. Overall, car looks awesome, and black never goes out of style. So let's take a closer look at all the details. We have the beautiful Black Sapphire Metallic. This paint is classic. And we've got some lines coming down lengthwise on the hood. Got the rondelle up front and center. We've got the new illuminating kidney grille with the horizontal slats for the M50 model. M badging on the driver's side. Got the camera over here. And down here, some sensors going across. Got a spot for your front tow hook. And we do have some active shutters in here and down here as well. So they will close when we need aerodynamics, and they'll open when we need to breathe more. Let's take a closer look at the shadow line BMW LED headlights here. So double stacked L shapes in the headlights here. And if we go ahead with the full low beam system on, you can see these stacks of LEDs, and then we've got the actual low beam there. So lighting system, I really like it. I know not all of you do, but you'll get there. When we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch star spoke 1036M wheels in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake there. I love the red brake calipers. They really pop on this wheel or any wheel. We've got the M badging on the fender in our market. We have the M welcome light here as well. It's kind of hard to see. We also have the M wing mirrors in black. We have the glass roof up top. We have the black roof rails. And let's get a little side profile shot here. We're in between some pillars. There's your rear 1036M wheel. New style antenna up top. Hofmeister kink. And we've got the spoiler at the top here. It's kind of enclosed on the sides for better aero. Let's get those rear tail lights on. So there they are, looking great. X3 badging, M50 badging. And of course down here we've got the vertical reflectors on each side. We've got the quad exhaust with the rear diffuser here. So that looks sweet. Since we're back here, I'm just gonna kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. So with a kick, you're able to open this and close this hands-free. We have a cargo cover in here, so you can come out to hide your contents. You can press the buttons on each side to release it. So when you see orange, it's unlocked. To lock it in place, you just push it back in. No orange, it's locked. Once this comes out, there's a space under here where it can be stored. There's your optional spare tire. And we also have a spot here for your tow hook and wheel lock key. This little box has the wheel lock keys and the original bolts. And down here, there's a jack and some tools inside the spare. And when I put this back down, we do have a 12-volt plug here, a grocery bag hanger, another grocery bag hanger here that can also be used to prop this up when it's folded up. And we got a little netted area here. This is the hardware for this, the front plate bracket. I hope that doesn't go on the front of the car, but if it does, that's what that's for. Up top, there's a button to close, another one to close and lock, but we can kick our foot so we can get this to close. We can kick our foot so we can get this to close the hands-free way. And there we are. When we come around to the passenger side, you'll see we got the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. Looking for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put this. And when you're done, just clockwise, one click. You can shut the door. If I open up the back door here, so you'll see that we've got the beautiful espresso brown seats in here. We've got the Harman Kardon sound system, window switch, door handle, big pockets. There's a shot of the espresso brown seats. You can fold down the seats in a 60-40 split on each shoulder. There's also an armrest in the center with some cup holders. And up top here, there's a button you can press right here. So it's this button. So that can be pressed to bring down the center pass-through. The headrests are also manually adjustable in terms of height. We've got the glass roof open. It's not a sunroof, it's a glass roof. We've got an accessory port on the back of each front seat. So there's tablet holders, coat hangers, that kind of stuff that you could buy from parts. Pockets on the back of each front seat. There's your winter mats with some illumination. There's also some more vents down here for your rear passenger's feet. We have some ventilation back here, some storage space, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. And up top, we've got some lighting. We've got a handle on each side with a coat hanger. There's also a microphone for rear Bluetooth users. So let's shut this door and we'll open the front passenger door next. So we do have the welcome light carpet on this side as well. Not easy to see, but it says M down there. Touch comfort access on both front door handles. Open that up. So we've got some light. We've got unlock, lock. This is to open or close this vent, and you can direct the air down here where it's going. Window switch, door pockets, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension, soft touch dash with some stitching going across, button down here to open the glove box. We have iDrive 9 with the curved display, and down here we've got the jewel box with your wireless charger, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and there's the M Jewel. We have the glass iDrive controller. We've got your center console with some stitching on it. There's a 12-volt plug in there too if you need. Let's shut this door and open the door on the other side next. Okay, so if we approach from the driver's side, open that door. So you'll see that we have unlock, lock, vent controls, memory seats, window controls. That makes it so only the driver controls the windows. There's the tailgate release. You can push that to open or pull and hold it while the key's inside to close. Big pockets here. Full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. New flat bottom steering wheel for 2025. M at 6. M tricolor stitching. We've also got the red marker at 12. We've got the head-up display here. And in terms of cruise control, so we have active cruise control, so it'll mitigate the speed and the distance to the car in front of you. We've got all the self-parking, back park, front park, parallel park. And we've got the universal garage door openers on the underside here. We've also got the interior camera up here as well. If you pull down the visor, the light turns on with the mirror. So down here, it's kind of hidden, but here's your hood release. So it's 1, 2. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here, you just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. You have 398 horsepower, 428 foot-pounds of torque, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid goes in there. What a beautiful engine bay. And BMWs have 2 latches into the hood, so if I bring the hood roughly about halfway down, you literally just got to center down. Perfect. Okay, so before we conclude the video, I will do one more lap all the way around. Headlights are on now. This spec looks really nice. Black with red calipers, always looks good. Tail lights are on. So, has the new X3 grown on you yet? And what do you think of this spec? Black Sapphire Metallic with the Espresso brown inside and M Sport Pro. Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X3 M50 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Espresso inside and M Sport Pro. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.